How to use Beehiiv, the newsletter platform. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about Beehiiv and how to use its different functions. Now, Beehiiv is a publication or a newsletter platform. We could put our post by simply using features such as start writing over here. We could create posts using templates or start from scratch. And you could even earn money through the posts that you make. Also, if you haven't signed up for Beehive, you can use my link down below to get a 30-day free trial and a 20% off your first 3 months. Upon first creating your account, you will have to do some steps. For example, we have our different steps over here on the right side. So you have the ability to create or modify your website. You're also able to modify your emails and of course be able to import your contacts and create your post. Let's start with checking out our website over here. To be able to check your website, we could look over here on the left side. We have a design option. Under the design option, we have two things, the website builder and the newsletter builder. The website builder will allow us to modify and edit our website that people will be seeing when visiting us, while the other one will allow us to modify our emails, what our email would look like when we send them to our clients or our customers. So over here, as you can see, this is what our website currently looks like. If you want to be able to modify certain things, you will be able to do it over here on the left side. Mainly, you are able to modify, of course, your logo and identity, your global colors, typography, and radius and shadows over here. For more specific modifications, you could check out the global navigation, the subscribe widget, post styles, and global folder over here. You're also able to modify layouts and settings of your website. As you can see here, you have pixels to mobile app to security to theme resets. Let's demonstrate one of the things that we could do in modifying our website builder. For example, right now, we're currently in the home page, as you can see here at the top. Let's change the color of our website. Right now, it's color pink. So let's click on global colors over here. As you can see, you will be able to change the primary color, the font color, secondary color, functional color, stuff like that. Let's just change one for now. And let's choose a more bluish color, something like that. Now we have a blue color as our primary color. And as you can see, it will automatically apply it onto our website design over here, now with a blue tone or like a blue main color. We could also view it on a mobile view, as you can see. Also, if you haven't signed up for Beehive, you can use my link down below to get a 30-day free trial and a 20% off your first 3 months. You could look up and change your pages. You can even check out your sign up page over here, as you can see. Or you could create your custom pages, of course, upon having a plan, as you can see. So let's go back over here. After being satisfied with your website, you could simply easily publish it and save the design that you have created. Now, over here, similarly in our letter or our letter newsletter over here, the builder of our newsletter, we are also able to modify it to a great extent. So as you can see here, we have our template or like our preview of our website or rather our email. As you can see, or our newsletter. We are able to modify the outside background to a specific color that we want. We could choose from our themes or like existing themes, or we could do the manual modification of our colors over here, as you can see. So let's say I want a dark green, just like that. And then we have the post background. So if you want to have a grayish theme over here, but that's not going to sit well with our green theme over here. So I'm just going to stick with white. And then over here, you could do some post borders. These are just some personalization or like preferential approach to the design. As you can see, it will have a border over here on the top left and top right. Then you can even have border thickness over here if you want to have a border. Of course, that is if you have a color over here. So let's say you have a black border. You will be able to have a border thickness as well. Then there are many things that you will be able to modify, like the body text, as you can see here, like font, stuff like that, header text, email header, email footer, and many, many more. You could even modify your buttons over here. So you have a big or like a wide range of customization that you will be able to do according to your preference. So simply click on Save Changes after doing those. And now we have saved our post design. Now, let's start writing. Let's click on Start Writing button over here to begin writing or composing, as you can see. You have different features inside of when you're creating a post. So let's create a title for now. Latest update. There we go. You could add a thumbnail if you want. You could even add a tag content if you prefer as well. You could add subtitles that you want people to see. And over here, this is where you will be able to put in your content. Now, it is not just simple content as to a paragraph, but you could do slash, and you will be able to see all of these additional features that you could actually include. We have things such as bullet lists, images, block quotes, columns, file attachment, and many, many more. And you could apply this to many situations or many type of posts that you want to have. Let's say you have an image, you could add that. You have a code block, you could add that as well, as you can see. So let's say here, print per system, that out, that print. As you can see, you could have like a code line on your post as well if you prefer. And as you can see here, you could simply say job over here. And we will be able to apply even like a color scheming to your output, as you can see. So after that, if you accept or you like the content that you have made, you can easily click on next. And then you can simply select the audience that you're trying to have or you're trying to publish it to. So you have a list of audience that you will be able to have as well. Click on next. As you can see, you can also modify the email details, like the subject line, the preview text, stuff like that. And then our web over here, similarly. And over here, the review, we can now click on schedule. And if you want to publish it now, we can do it. Or you could also publish it later. And so now what we could do is we could copy. And let's view the post that we have created. As you can see, it's our content over here with the design that we have done earlier in the video. We can also earn some money through our growth over here through referral programs, magic list, and boost over here. When adding your audience as well, you could do it over here on the audience list, or you could also import it over here in the center, where you will be able to import it through a CSV, or you could even copy paste the different files as you can see here, or the different email address as you can see. And aside from that, you could also check some statistics that you could use to take advantage on how you approach your Beehiiv platform. Also, if you haven't signed up for Beehiiv, you can use my link down below to get a 30-day free trial and a 20% off your first 3 months. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.